Nu, čia labai gerai. Ir ten tą raudoną pasimokinti ir čia lengvai, žinai.
Erikas progresas.
Aš bijau, kad jo nenuskintų kas. Are you okay? Nu, baig, ko jūs čia žvengiat? Kas jums darosi?
Labai gražiai nukritai, Katinėlė. Aš tavęs nebepavėju.
Erika, you need to go safe speed, okay?
So
This is a bit too fast now.
Daug rankytė.
that was a good, but that was very good skiing. It wasn't too fast.
Davai, pačiuoškit į priekį, mes susitvarkysim. Erikai, safe speed, okay? Safe speed.
Snowstorm!
Snowstorm! Get ready, goggles! Erikai, safe speed, okay? Jurga, atsargiai! Erikai, slow! Slow down! Slow down! Erikai, safe speed, please! Stop! Good job! Safe speed, okay?
Time for the black.
Always keep some distance, because listen, the key rule, Erika, the one who is at the back is responsible, okay? Because you can see. So you need to watch, don't go too close, okay?